Hey, I'm back with another binoculars review, this time from Eedabros or Eedabros. I swear some of these company names are computer generated. Eedabros. This is their 10 by 42 ED binoculars, Ultra HD, as they say. This is a really nice box. This is the best box I've seen yet on binoculars. Let's open this up. Let's see what's inside. I always appreciate a nice box. It creates a nice first impression. Okay. The logo is nicely embossed on the case. That's the first time I've seen that. Eedabros. The case feels really nice. It looks nice. And let's see what else is in here. I believe it's the, yep, it's the binocular strap. Neoprene type. And we got just an intro card. QC pass. We got a microfiber cloth, and that's it. Alright, let's check out this binoculars. Wow, this case really feels solid. It's got a nice stiffness to it. The material is like a, I don't know, it's like a stiff woven fabric. Feels pretty nice. Nice and somewhat rigid. Nice looking binoculars. What got my attention about this binoculars is that it looks very similar to the Levenhuk Nitro ED 10 by 42 binoculars, and there are many others. So this is probably a run-of-the-mill binoculars that's been rebadged. The box looks the same, minus the graphics. I'm curious how true to spec this is. Let's check out the eyepiece. Very nice. Ooh, that's nice. Nice details on the eye cups. 3 levels, 1, 2, 3. Nice and solid. It's not gonna go down by itself. Lens coating looks somewhat pinkish orange. And then the objectives, very nice. I love that. Oh, it's actually integrated to the body. Yep, that's interesting. I've never seen that before. We insert it back like so. Lens coating similar to the eyepieces. Looks like a pink orangish. Wow. Hinge feels good. Focus knob, nice and smooth. Very nice. That feels really good. Wow. Diopter adjustments. Ooh. There we go. It was stiff initially and then it loosened up. Alright. Let's go over the stated specs. This is the 10x42. It is constructed of ABS plastic and weighs 24 ounces. This contains ED lens elements. Lenses are fully multi-coated. Prism is Bach 4 non-phase coated. This is the ultra wide angle with 7 degrees of field of view. Exit pupil of 4.1 millimeters. I measured the eye relief at 17 millimeters. Interpupillary distance 53 to 74 millimeters. Diopter adjustment of ±4. A near focus of 12 feet. This is waterproof and nitrogen purged. A standout feature of this binoculars is the aluminum focusing knob. You can't ask for a better focuser. Very smooth, very little resistance, which I really like. The twist eye cups are amazing as well, with good action and very tactile detents for precise adjustments. 3 levels of adjustments can be made. The diopter ring is rather stiff, making precise adjustments rather difficult. You can be assured you're not going to accidentally shift it. Here's some test shots, but keep in mind this is what the camera sees and not what your eyes will see. But this is a good example of what you can capture with a camera if you're interested in digiscoping. While doing my comparisons, I had to keep in mind this is a $126 binoculars. It would not be fair to judge its merits against binoculars costing twice as much, and I'll try not to be so harsh. No, it's not the sharpest binoculars when doing side-by-side comparisons. I normally say a sweet spot up to 50% from center is standard for most binoculars, but this Eedabros really manages a sweet spot of 45% before image degradation becomes obvious. To most viewers, this will not be a problem. Standing on its own, the view is still pleasant within the sweet spot. If this truly has ED lens elements, they must be very basic, as chromatic aberrations make themselves known readily with just the slightest shift from dead center, depending on lighting conditions. Edge of field clarity is mushy at best, as one would expect by now. Surprisingly, no barrel distortion or pincushion distortion was detected for this wide 7 degrees binoculars. Field of view appears to be accurate according to specs. The eyepieces have 4 elements, which leads me to believe there are no field flatteners involved, and I wouldn't expect it at this price point. Testing on the moon is very unforgiving and easily revealed chromatic aberrations due to the high contrast. The moon looked good at the very center, but the view quickly degrades with the slightest shift from center. I like focusing on this cactus 25 yards away. It's got so much going on, tons of details. This bush nicely illustrates the sweet spot of the field of view. With all that said and done, I would categorically say this is a decent beginner's binoculars. The build quality is good, minus the stiff diopter adjustment. The focus knob is excellent. Nothing ruins a viewing session than a poor focuser that will always remind you of its quality. The aesthetics of this binoculars definitely looks good. Imagine this body with the lenses of the Eedabros SE. That would be a nice combination. Alright, so with that, I'll leave you with some more test shots. Thank you for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up to let others know this is good stuff. And if you didn't like it, comment down below and let me have it. Also subscribe to my channel if you want to be notified of any future videos that I release. You'll be the first to know. Okay, until next time, see ya.